Hello everyone, welcome back to Arun Commerce and Management Academy. Today's video is for BBA second year, 4th semester, and the subject is Business Law and Ethics. In this video, we will see the long and short questions. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon all to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let's start. Coming to Unit 1, that is Law of Contracts. These are the important questions. Now we will see the long questions. Question number 1. Define contract. Explain the essentials of valid contract. Question number 2. All contracts are agreements, but all agreements are not contracts. Discuss the statement. Then question number 3. Explain the different types of contracts. Then question number 4. Essentials of valid consideration, valid offer and valid acceptance. So we may expect any question from essentials, either it will be a valid consideration or valid offer or valid acceptance. So please prepare all the essentials of all these things. Then question number 5. No consideration, no contract. Explain the exemptions. Means here you need to explain the meaning of consideration, and we can explain all the exceptions of no consideration, no contract. Then question number 6. Define consent. When consent is said to be free. Then question number 7. Define breach of contract. Explain the types of breach of contract and remedies of breach of contract. So breach means breaking the contract. So here various types are there, and remedies are also there for the agreed party. So you need to present all the remedies in detail. Now we will see the short questions. So these are the important short questions like free consent, counter offer, novation of contract, quantum merit, coercion, undue influence and fraud, misrepresentation or mistake, and rules of minors agreement, quasi contract. So here if you prepare long questions thoroughly, you can answer these short questions. So my advice for you is prepare all the long questions thoroughly. Coming to Unit 2, that is law relating to special contracts. So now we will discuss the long questions. So question number 1. Briefly explain the various modes by which an agency may be created. So here you need to explain what are the various modes by which an agency may be created. Then question number 2. Define the term bailment. Discuss various features and types of bailment. Then question number 3. Define bailment and discuss the duties and rights of bailer and bailee. Then question number 4. Distinguish between bailment and pledge. Then question number 5. Define contract of sale. What are the essentials of a valid sale? Then question number 6. Distinguish between sale and agreement to sell. Then what are the implied conditions and warranties in contract of sale? Then question number 8. What is meant by unpaid seller? Explain the rights of an unpaid seller. Now we will see the short questions like bailer or define bailee, then define goods, then define unpaid seller, then define agency, then indemnity and guarantee, bailment and pledge, then guarantee and warranty. Coming to Unit 3, it is Companies Act. These are the long questions. Like question number 1. Define a company, state the objectives and characteristics and types of companies. Means here you need to give the definition of the company according to Companies Act 2013 and present the objectives and features and types of companies. Then question number 2. Explain the various steps involved in formation of a company. Then question number 3. Distinguish between private company and public company. Then question number 4. Who is a promoter? Discuss the kinds of promotion. Then question number 5. What are the legal requirements as to alteration of memorandum and articles of association? Question number 6. Define director. What are the powers, qualifications and disqualifications of a director? Explain the ways of appointment of a company director. So here you need to explain the meaning of director and clearly explain all the powers and qualifications and disqualifications, and various ways of appointment of a company director. Then question number 7, discuss the law relating to meetings and proceedings of a company. Then question number 8, what are the contents of a statement in lieu of prospectus? How prospectus is different from statement in lieu of prospectus? Now we will see the short questions. So these are the important short questions, like statutory meeting, annual general meeting, then extraordinary general meeting, class meeting, proxy, statutory company, memorandum of association and articles of association, then certificate of incorporation. Coming to unit 4, that is consumer protection law. These are the long questions which are very important. Question number 1, write a note on consumer redressal machinery under Consumer Protection Act. Then question number 2, write briefly about Consumer Protection Councils and its functions. So here there are various consumer councils like Central Council, State Council and District Council, and you need to explain all the functions in detail. Question number 3, define consumer. What are the rights of consumer under the Consumer Protection Act 1986? So here define the consumer and explain all the various rights under Consumer Protection Act 1986. Then question number 4, what are the main provisions of Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974? Question number 5, analyze the role of public awareness in the effective implementation of pollution control law in India. Question number 6, write in detail about National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Question number 7, explain the general powers of central government to take measures to protect and improve environment. Question number 8, write in detail about Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum or District Forum. Now we will see the short questions. These are the important short questions from Unit 4, like trade effluent, joint boards, consumer councils, consumerism, unfair trade practice, consumer forum, anti-competitive agreements, air pollution act. Coming to unit 5, that is business ethics. These are the long questions. Question number 1, define business ethics, explain the primary source of ethics. Question number 2, what are the factors or principles to be considered while implementing an ethics program in an organization? Question number 3, what are business ethics? Why are they important for an organization? Question number 4, what are the various steps in the implementation of social responsibility of business? Question number 5, explain the guidelines and factors to be considered in formulating fair market wages. Then question number 6, explain Indian value system, its relevance of values in management. Then question number 7, write briefly about ethical and value-based consideration. Coming to short questions, question number 1, business ethics, then fair market wages, any 3 principles of ethics, approaches to social responsibility, ethics, morals or values, code of conduct and occupier. So these are the important questions from business law and ethics. I hope so this content will be helpful for your exam preparation. If you like this video, do like and share to your friends and comment your opinion in comment section. Thank you.